Hi, it's Shannon here from houseimprovements.com. We're going to do a little bit of an informal video here today. We've had a company, Grip-On Tools. They've sent us out a couple boxes of merchandise to have a look at, and they sent us out quite a quantity of stuff, so I thought it'd be interesting just to do a video, kind of show you what we got just for fun, and just kind of go through what they have. Now obviously this is just a sampling of the different things that they kind of would carry. In this first box, first thing I see here is we've got this 3-wheel moving dolly. So pretty handy, you know, if you're by yourself or whatever, you need to move something around without carrying it everywhere you're going. So that's one. Then this here, 148 piece driver bit set. So there's quite a variety of bits in there. And it even shows you along the bottom here what all different bits are in there. There's some there I've never even seen before, so it's quite an extensive little set there. Almost 800 piece O-ring kit, so rubber O-rings if you're into a lot of mechanical work, that sort of thing. You know, maybe you have a farm or whatever. Something like that is something you'd use relatively often. And in this box here, we've got 18-inch bolt cutters, it says, so let's see if I can get them out of there. So we've got, 18-inch bolt cutters, that's exactly what it is. So that's pretty good, they look like they're fairly well made. Looks good. Now this one has been kind of interesting me to get this out of here. It's this huge bag of bungee cords. And I noticed on the tag it says 72 inch, so these are probably the biggest bungee cords I've ever seen. I don't know how many's in that package. I'm gonna guess there's I don't know, 8 to 12 in that pack, but they're literally like 5-6 feet long, so they seem like they've got some real stretch to them and good tension, so they'd be pretty neat. I'm not exactly sure what I'd use that length for, but I'm sure I'll find a way to use them. So that gets the first box out of the way. I'm just going to put it right out here. So far so good, looks really good. And here we go, so Grip flashlight. And I guess GRIP stands for Grand Rapids Industrial Products. So, but yeah, they got LED flashlight here, kind of a 2-in-1 flashlight. You've got an end there and a LED strip in the handle. Another one, this one's LED as well, just a strip. Looks like they're both magnetic on the end. That's kind of nice. You know, if you can stick them onto some metal and they stay in place for you while you're working, so those look good. One's 400 lumens and this one's 250 lumens, so they're both pretty bright. We've got a 22-inch flat bar, so a pry bar. Good for pulling up some subfloor and those sorts of things. We've got a, well, that's quite a good deal. That's to hold sockets on. So basically a socket organizer, I guess. And you've got everything from 1/4 inch right to 3/8 of an inch, it looks like. Might even be 1/2 inch. So that's good. There's a lot of room for a lot of sockets on there. Yeah, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch carries quite a bit. 20 1/4 inch, 30 3/8, and 30 1/2 inch sockets. So that's a good deal. And then we've got a large set of paintbrushes. 7-piece paintbrushes, and all different sizes in there for sure. Well, that's really good. Thank you, Grip. We appreciate being able to unveil some of these products and show our viewers, you know, what you're able to send out for us. Yeah, so great. We're looking forward to trying some of these out for sure. You'll probably see them in some of our upcoming videos. You never know. Be watching out for them. They don't really have a certain I was going to say maybe they have a certain color that is kind of their theme color, company color, but we've got greens and blues and a little bit of everything, so that isn't it. So anyways, you've seen the products here. watch in future videos. We might be using some of them, and you can see how they perform there. If you want to check them out a little further, maybe purchase some of these items, we're going to put a link in the description below that you can check out for the tools. And any other companies that maybe want to have us do the same sort of thing, if you want to contact us, we'll put a link in the description as well on how you can go about contacting us if you want to send us out some products to try. Okay, so I think that pretty much wraps us up. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.